Somebody's here.
Yeah, but I like taking shots, don't get me wrong. This is a gorgeous spot. I want to take some shots of this place, but if there's some guys in there,
Yeah. Let's go out to the main floor and see if we can hear him or see him. So yeah, guys, we heard some people talking. Don't know who it is or how many people there are. But
two different voices.
You heard two different voices? So there are multiple people here. Let's get our shots and go quick. This place is huge. It's like a paint booth. Whoa. It's a booth for something. Alright, so I went to the other side of the plant. I think we're gonna take the stairs up. And hopefully those people up there are gone. If not, I guess we'll say hi to them. Ooh, it's warmer up here. It's a big boy. Alright, gonna head higher up. Not sure if there's much on this level. This is really high up though. That's cool. Oh. This one's a little different. It's still the same. You can actually look into the factory from these little holes. That's gonna be spooky. I think I'm gonna do it though. Oh, I do not feel safe up here because I know how high above the ground I am. It's a no-go. I'm just going in here. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Probably another assembly booth or room. Jeez, it's big though. There's no tags up here. Oh man, look at that. Is that a bald eagle? That's a straight up bald eagle. Or maybe just a regular eagle. That thing's big. Oh no.
It's like a hawk.
That wingspan is huge. Yeah, this is the roof. There's no tags up here? That's weird. Oh, there's just pieces missing of the roof there. That's fun. It's fun. Oh, check that thing out. Boiler or something? I don't know. It's a pretty nice view of the city.
Just got everything over here. Damn. It was down this way, right?
Yeah, it's a great view. This is a little weird, but there's the hatchet. I don't know why that's there. We got ourselves a little
vantage point. Take a look at
this. There's a powerhouse. Alright, we gotta get to that, dude.
Okay. That's okay.
Oh, this is cool. That thing crashed down.
I'll take a leap of faith, you know what I'm saying?
Jump in, buddy.
Dude.
Heading down to the powerhouse. Whoa. Holy cow. I'm gonna take a look in a sec. I just want to get a view of all these like murals. Oh, cool. That is so sick. This must have been where the offices or something was. And I got to see that every day. All these cool little murals. Here's the main floor. Once again.
You think this connects?
It connects to this side. And I'm sure there's, oh gosh, it's so gooey. It's like stepping in wet clay. What is it? You guys see that? Look at that. Ugh. Nasty. Huh. Look at that. Hearing protection must be worn in this area. Imagine how loud it used to be in here.
Now it is silent.
It is dead silent now. Alright. Oh, you see that? See what I'm seeing?
Good luck.
That's gotta be a generator of some sort.
It's the mitochondria of the facility.
It's an Ingersoll and Rand. You know where they had these? At the power plant by me.
Oh, I don't know about that one, buddy.
They had the same machine. Big wheel.
Take a peep. Little out of service for now. A lot of work. A bit of maintenance going on over here. Oh, you know, just handled water, fuel, draft of some sort. Definitely the powerhouse, as they say. Okay. Steam pressure. Yeah, same thing. Force draft, water, fuel.
Tons of gauges here.
Wow.
Look at this one, still has the glass on it. Here it is up there.
It's like a second floor to it. You can see some more piping up here, more scaffolding.
This was it, the heart of the factory.
Safe.
Gotta get a good vantage point. Anything for the shot. It's cool.
Sneak past you in a second, walk over down.
Oh boy, what's up here?
Not a ton. Oh boy, this still goes, buddy. Christ.
Whoa. Are you serious? Alright, I'm gonna call it here though.
Yeah, this is done.
Well, I think that concludes the exploration of
Sure might.
this plant. Guys, if you like what you saw, definitely drop a like. Consider subscribing if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Definitely smell something. Smells a little like Michigan air.